There are many ways to grow strawberry seedlings. First, I will show you how to grow strawberry seedlings in a really simple way. I will choose a nursery pot suitable for the number of seedlings, fill it with soil, and use ripe strawberries with large, even seeds. Cut each outer shell containing the seeds into the nursery pot and spread a thin layer of soil on the surface. To increase the germination rate of strawberry seeds, I use B1 mixed with water, sprayed on the nursery pot, and left the nursery pot in a cool place. B1 stimulates seed germination and rapid rooting in seedlings. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. There are many types of household waste that we can use to grow fruit trees. Today, I will show you how to use old plastic cans to make strawberry growing boxes. This method is both cost-effective and does not cause waste. From used plastic cans, I used scissors to cut the lid to fit and used a hot blowtorch to punch drainage holes to prevent the plant from getting waterlogged later. My family often eats strawberries after meals every day and makes drinks. Because strawberries contain many minerals that are good for health, help improve the heart, good for digestion, beautify the skin, and improve blood sugar levels. From used water bottles, I will choose to make an automatic watering system for strawberries using absorbent towels. With this method, when watering the plants, the roots will not be eroded or damaged, but still maintain stable moisture. We can use a hot air gun to punch holes in the mouth of a plastic bottle and then stuff a wet towel into the bottle to guide the water. It looks simple, but is extremely effective. When preparing soil for growing strawberries, you need to mix the soil well so that the soil is loose and porous. When planting, the plant will not suffocate. Oxygen can enter and exit easily, and the metabolism of the plant and soil will be better. In addition to the natural nutrients found in special soil, I also use worm castings mixed into the soil to increase the plant's ability to grow from the beginning. Vermicompost has many advantages, both providing nutrition and having high antibacterial properties. Planting fruit trees right on the roof without fear of affecting the health of me and my family. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. When pouring soil, be careful to place the water bottle in the corner of the barrel to avoid taking up space for the plant. Place an absorbent towel in the middle of the barrel to guide the water down to the base of the plant. Pour just enough soil to avoid overflowing after care. After preparing all the materials and the seedlings have sprouted, I started planting them. Just by taking advantage of this space, we can grow many different types of fruit trees. After 10 days of incubation, the strawberry seeds have germinated. At this time, the plants are still young and weak. Sow gently to avoid breaking the plants or damaging the roots, and sow at a moderate depth to avoid suffocating the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. When newly planted seedlings need to promote root growth to ensure that the plant absorbs nutrients to nourish the plant. After planting, I use a non-toxic root stimulant mixed with water and put it in the pot. The wet towel will guide the water to the base of the plant. Don't you think it's great that with this watering method, the seedlings do not suffer root damage due to erosion, but still have stable moisture? With this method of growing and planting strawberries, after only 20 days of planting, the plants are green, healthy, strong enough to grow and flower. At this time, I started to take care of them. You know, for me, protecting human health and good for plants is always the top priority. Therefore, I will choose vermicompost as fertilizer for strawberries at this stage. In addition to worm castings, we can also use kitchen waste. I will crush rotten tomatoes with water to water the strawberries. Ripe tomatoes are great for fertilizing plants. They're nutritious, promote flowering, and protect plants from insects. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Now that the strawberries have flowered, I will encourage the plants to produce more fruit. First, I water each plant with coconut milk. Coconut milk promotes flowering and increases the fruit set of strawberries. The flowering stage is very sensitive to weather as well as pests. To ensure normal growth and good fruit set, I mix turmeric powder with water and spray evenly on the strawberries. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. It's amazing. After only 2 months, thanks to the right breeding, planting, and care, my strawberries have produced a lot of big, ripe fruits. Now, I can take care of my family without having to buy them from outside. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.